Psychology answers. Which of the following structures is most likely associated with communication between central nervous system and the endocrine system? The hypothalamus. Which of the following would most likely result from an injury to the medulla? A life-threatening disruption of heartbeat and breathing. Which of the following brain regions is the part of the cerebral cortex that is most responsible for the processing of visual stimuli? The occipital lobe. Which of the following neurotransmitters has been associated with major depressive disorder? Serotonin. Which of the following neurotransmitters is most closely associated with schizophrenia? Dopamine. Which of the following brain structures has the strongest influence on hunger and satiety? Hypothalamus. The role of the parasympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system is to establish homeostasis after a fight or flight response. The function of dendrite is to receive information from other neurons. Stimulation of which of the following areas will lead a person to eat? The lateral hypothalamus. Which chemical is mostly closely associated with sleep? Melatonin. People who have experienced severe damage to the frontal lobe of the brain seldom regain their ability to make and carry out plans. Parkinson's disease is most closely associated with decreased levels in dopamine. Neurotransmitters are typically stored in which of the following parts of a neuron? The terminal buttons. Which of the following terms refers to the brain's ability to physically change over time in reaction to experiences? Neuroplasticity. The time shortly after a neuron fires is referred to refractory period. Joseph has blue eyes and brown hair and is tall. These characteristics are best described as phenotypic traits. Information is relayed to the spinal cord or the brain by interneurons. During the high wire act, Grace walks along a rope, blah blah blah. Which of the following is most involved in helping Grace coordinate her movements and balance during performance? Cerebellum. After an electrode implanted in a cat's brain stimulates the cat's amygdala, the cat will most likely do which of the following? Withdraw and fear. Researchers looking to create a drug to reduce the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease would most likely focus their efforts on which of the following neurotransmitters? Acetylcholine. Cure blocks action at acetylcholine synapses and causes paralysis. This drug is an example of an agonist. Significant damage to which of the following parts of the brain will most likely cause a person to fall into a deep coma from which the person will be unable to awaken? Reticular formation.